Welcome. The FIT Writing and Speaking Studio has created this video to inform you on how to create an appointment and access your appointments online. To get started, begin on the login page. You can reach the login page through the Writing and Speaking Studio website, or just type the following URL onto your web browser: fit.mywconline.com. Once you have logged into the WC online platform using your FIT username and password, you will find a page with dates and times to schedule an appointment. If you experience difficulty logging in, watch our video titled "How to Make an Account" for further instruction. On the top of the screen, you will find a blue strip that states your name, where you can update your profile and email options or log out. On the center, you will find the current week of appointments and have the ability to change the schedule to your week of choice. You also have the option to view schedules of other FIT facilities, such as the Academic Skills Center, Library One-on-One Research Help, and the Office of Educational Opportunity Program. Underneath the blue strip, you can limit the specialization of your preferred peer consultant as well. On the left-hand corner, you will find dates along with the names and specialization of writing and speaking consultants. You will also find information on whether that consultant is available for online or in-person sessions. On the top of the chart are available times to schedule appointments. We encourage students to schedule appointments in advance. After you decide your desired day, time, and consultant of choice, click on a white box to make an appointment. A white box means that the time slot is open. If you are curious or need more information on the different box colors on your screen, click Help on the left-hand corner. Once you've clicked on a white box, a page titled Create New Appointment will pop up on your screen. Start off by filling your name and appointment time at the top of this page. Then, fill out all other information and keep in mind that all questions with the red asterisk are required to proceed. We ask for your class name, professor, and project description so tutors can be best prepared and make an effective use of session time by knowing this information beforehand. Once all information is filled out, click Create Appointment at the bottom of the page. Once you've clicked Create Appointment, a page titled View Existing Appointment will pop up, giving you an appointment confirmation. The View Existing Appointment page will also allow you to edit or cancel your appointment if needed. If your appointment will be held in person, just go to the Writing and Speaking Studio, room C612, on your scheduled appointment time. If your appointment will be held online, click Start or Join Online Consultation in the bold red type in the middle of the screen. Need more help navigating your online session? Check out our next video titled Navigate Online Sessions with the Writing and Speaking Studio. If you have any other questions or concerns, please contact us by emailing writing_speaking@fitnyc.edu, calling us at 212-217-3060, visiting us at room C612 in the Fellman Center, or visiting our Instagram at FIT Writes Speak.